This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both ends ready, your phone and a streaming-capable PC. Install a reliable webcam app on your phone and its companion utility on the computer. Sign into the same account so they pair. Once done, choose Wi-Fi or a wired USB connection. USB gives lower latency, Wi-Fi is simpler. Make sure the phone battery is healthy and permissions for camera and microphone are granted. Now connect phone to PC and confirm the app shows a live preview. That confirms the first step is complete. Next, you bring the phone feed into your Xbox stream via a PC intermediary. Open OBS on your computer and add the phone app as a video capture source. You may need the app's virtual driver. Once added, arrange crop and scale so your face fits a 16:9 frame. Set bitrate and resolution to balance quality and stability. After composing the scene, enable OBS virtual camera so the output looks like a physical webcam. Make sure the virtual camera is running before switching to Xbox. Finally, you switch over to the Xbox streaming interface and choose the OBS virtual camera as your webcam source. Once selected, verify microphone pickup and watch for audio latency. If there's echo or drift, enable a small mic delay in OBS or use push to talk to resync. Start the Twitch stream on the Xbox and monitor the combined feed on your PC for any dropped frames. If the camera freezes, restart the virtual camera and reconnect the phone. That quick restart resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.